What happens when your high-tech, expensive oven fails right before a major holiday? Repair is a huge problem in this industry, even for basic washers. Far worse for complicated appliances like wall ovens. In this video, you'll learn which wall ovens are the most reliable based on over 33,000 service calls logged by our service department just last year. That's right, actual repair, not opinions from influencers running tests in their shops, service from homes just like yours, and we service a lot of wall ovens. LG Studio appliances are incredibly popular because they offer excellent features at a lower price. They also manufacture more of its own parts than any other major appliance brand, and they now have their own service department, unlike most brands, which is a step in the right direction. This double oven provides a total of 9.4 cubic feet of cooking space, features convection cooking in 14 cooking modes, and is priced at $3,000. One great option is their double wall oven with a speed oven on top and a steam oven on the bottom, allowing you to cook differently and is $5,000 less than comparable brands. Bosch has long been known for its reliability across almost every cooking category. Their ovens have kept the same product design over the years with a contemporary look. They offer plenty of space with 9.2 cubic feet of cooking capacity in a true convection system. These ovens offer 12 specialized cooking modes, a temperature probe, and a fast preheat function to save time. Plus, automatic convection conversion and pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of meal prep. Miele is an excellent wall oven. It's highly reliable because Miele manufactures almost all its parts, including controls in their single German factory. Most other manufacturers outsource many of their parts and assemble the units elsewhere. That's why you often see similar clocks on different brands when shopping at your local appliance store. Miele wall ovens are different. For example, the MasterChef controls are some of the easiest to use in any wall oven. Just input the food and how you want it cooked, and the oven automatically sets the recommended time and temperature. Miele also offers a steam assist feature with up to 3 bursts of steam, so you make bread or add flavor to your roasts. Lastly, there's a built-in camera. You can monitor your dish from the Miele app on your phone without opening the oven door and losing heat. I thought this was interesting. Cafe is way more reliable than the lower, yet similar, GE profile. It's the same company. Most cafe ovens purchased at Yale are French door wall ovens. A side swing or French door wall oven allows for easier access to food. Unlike in a traditional fold-down door, you don't have to lift heavy items over the door. The display is full color and lets you know the ideal internal temperature. Like Miele, cafes' wall ovens have a built-in camera. GE is one of the last companies to have a service department, although it recently changed its name to Bodwell. So a cafe wall oven is a great consideration if you buy from a store without service. Gaggenau consistently ranks in the top 3 for built-in wall ovens. It's French-made and German-engineered, but more importantly, we didn't service a single Gaggenau wall oven in 2024. That's pretty impressive. Gaggenau offers side-swinging doors, 17 cooking modes, precise temperature control, rotisserie cooking, an optional bake stone or roasting pan outlet, and a multi-point probe which provides accurate internal food temperatures with an auto shut-off feature. It's hard to believe we didn't repair one this year. Remember, wall ovens have always been challenging to repair, and now with new innovations, they are probably the hardest appliance to service. So service has to be a part of your buying process. If you want to learn more about the most reliable wall oven brands for this year, click this video, and thanks for watching.